Oh, that's a big one. What is it, like August? No, July 30th. July 30th. It's like 7:40 in the morning. I'm gonna see if I can go catch a fish. I got a buzzbait tied on. I'm going to a local pond in my neighborhood. I don't know. I got up early today because I had to get the kids ready, so I figured I might as well go fishing. I don't usually fish this early, so we'll see how I do. Okay, I just switched over to a popper. It's kind of silver in color, so I don't know. I'm hoping it imitates a small fish or something. Let's see. I don't think I've caught a fish on this. I don't even know how to use it. See, let's try that way. Okay, I just changed to a chatterbait. I got a tube on there as a trailer. Who knows? That tree. I got one. I'm gonna tighten and drag. Come here, buddy. Oh, hey. Jeez. Come on, man. You're gonna break my line. First cast with the chatterbait. Well, first clean cast. I got a little chunk. Let's see. I don't know. Looks like he's been caught before. Look at that big ol' hole. It's got some grass. I would weigh him, but he's not big enough. He's probably about, I would say, 2 1/4. got some scales, some damage there. It's a pretty good little fish. Thanks for coming to see me, bud. Now for the release. Okay, that wasn't very gentle or nice, but it worked. I got one. I got one. Got one. Got him. Got him. Let's see. I don't know. It's swimming. It's a swimming. It's a swimming. There it is. Jeez, it's strong. Strong little guy. Come here. Come here, dude. Okay. Oh, he got off. I touched him. That sucks. Fish. I think I got one. I got one. Hopefully this one doesn't jump. Hold it down. I don't know, these fish are strong, man. There he is. Stop, man. Come on, man. Got him. Okay. Got me a little wet. You weren't getting off here. This was hooked pretty good. Look, he's like double hooked. Might have to go back. Okay. I'm gonna go back and get you on land. Okay? You ain't getting off, dude. Oh, shit. Okay, come here. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Bugs. Okay, I gotta go in. Okay, I got him. This is a pretty good little fish. Probably about 2 pounds. It's a little fatter than the other one. Maybe 2 1/4. Okay, let's release him. I'm gonna try and do this one a little better. There he is. And he's off. Okay, let's try this chatterbait over on this side. They seem to be loving the chatterbait. All wrapped up. I got a fish too. I got a fish. I can feel it when I'm wrapped up. It's still on. Still on. What's going on with this thing? Oh, it's a big one. Don't jump, dude. Oh, it's a hog. Oh, he choked it, man. He clobbered that. I gotcha. Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna weigh you. Well, okay, let's give you a breath of water. Alrighty. I better come at it from this way. Okay, I got it unhooked. I'm gonna weigh him now. If I had to guess, I would say about 3.75 to 4 pounds. Come on. 3.9. 3.10, well, 3.9. £3, 9 ounces. Not bad. He's got a little belly on him. Okay, let's release. Okay. There he goes. Okay, this is the outro. I just got done fishing. I think I got 3 of them. The first one I caught, I think the second one got off, but I touched it. If you touch a fish, it counts. And the third one was that 3-pound 9 ounce, the last one I got. And I'm gonna call it a day. I'm almost out of batteries anyway, but it was fun fishing.